how to use coupons on Cnfans. So once you've pretty much made an account and logged in, then you should be able to find your user center where you can find a place where you can put the code, which should look something like this. So as you can see over here, you're in your user center. Then over here, you'll be able to see the please enter redeem codes on this little part over here. Place on that, depending on what redeem code you want, maybe Cnfans 15, and press an exchange, and you should be able to get the coupon code. There's also coupon codes over here in the bottom where you'll be able to use depending on what says over here, and make sure that the code they're using is of course active and actually usable. Be careful with the letters, it may be needed to be caps lock, but anyways, once you use a code, put in mind that each real or independent user is limited to a single redemption code use, and exceeding the limit is a violation to their policy. So Cnfans reserves the right to cancel such coupons. So once you've fully understood this, you can go ahead and agree and redeem. So hopefully this video does help you, and if it does, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all. Thank you.